Okay, so let's go over this lesson. It says Tucker solved 7 times 5 by breaking it apart as shown below. He already has 7 times 3, and he needs to know how many more groups of 7 he needs to make 7 times 5. So I'm going to go ahead and make 5 groups of 7 here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. He already has 3 groups of 7. Here's 1, 2, 3. He already has this. How many more rows or groups of 7 does he need for the rest? 1, 2. So 7 times 3, which is right here. Sorry, y'all, my mouse is dead, so I have to do this with my finger, which is hard. Here he has 7 times 3. Here he's going to have 7 times 2. So my answer here would be 2. Okay, number 2. Cole has 8 packs of pencils. There are 5 pencils in each pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's his packs. There's 5 in each pack. He wants to know how many pencils he has in all. The model below shows how he breaks apart one number in the problem. So instead of doing 8 times 5, he broke it apart into 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 5. In total, he has 8 groups of 5. And 4 plus 4 is 8. I know he has 8 groups of 5. So my equation is going to be this 4 groups of 5 plus this 4 groups of 5. So A. All right, number 3. It says use the array below to solve 8 times 8. First, draw circles to break the array into 2 groups. Then fill in the blanks to show how you broke the numbers apart. Okay, it doesn't matter how you break these apart. Just make sure that your numbers match how you broke them apart. So I'm going to break them right in the middle. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 8 times 4 here. And on the bottom I have 1, 2, 3, 4, which also makes 8 times 4. Now I could have broken it apart somewhere else. Let's do it here. I could have broken it apart here, and then my numbers would have been 8 times 3 groups and 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Number 4. Is each expression equivalent to the product of 6 and 9? Well, first we need to know what the product of 6 and 9 is, and 6 times 9 is 54. So we need to figure out which one of these multiplication problems equals 54. Well, this one says 6 times 3 plus 6 times 3, which would really give me 6 times 6, because the 3 plus the 3 there gives me 6. And 6 times 6 is not 54, so that's a no. 6 times 4 plus 6 times 5. 4 and 5 do make 9. And let's just check. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. If we add those together, we get 54. So that one's a yes. 6 times 6 plus 3. Well, we know we solved the parentheses first. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now we multiply 6. 6 times 9 we know is 54, so that's a yes. 9 times 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So really we're doing 9 times 6. We know 6 times 9 and 9 times 6 is the same thing. That's both going to give us 54. And then here we have 9 times 3 plus 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 18. I'm sorry. No, it's not. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 9 times 3 again is 27. 27 plus 27 is 54. So that would also be yes. All right, and last one. There are 9 rows in Miss Mitchell's flower garden. Each row has 9 flowers planted in it. How many flowers are planted in the garden? Show how to break apart the numbers to find the answer. All right, we have 9 rows of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 1, 2, 3, that's 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's make sure I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So here are our 9 rows with 9 flowers planted in each. And we want to figure out how many flowers she planted. But I don't know 9 times 9. So I'm going to break this apart into what I do know. I know my 5's facts. So I'm going to break this apart into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of 9. And I know 5 times, oh boy, 9 equals 45. And then I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of 9. All right, so I said 5 times 9 was 45. 4 times 9 is 36. And when I add those together, I get 81. And I can check that because I know 9 times 9 is 81. All right, hope this helps, guys.